Imagine two people earning the exact same salary. One becomes a millionaire, the other stays broke for life. The difference isn't luck, it isn't talent, and it definitely isn't their paycheck. It's just 5 money mistakes. If you're making even one of these mistakes, you could be losing thousands of dollars without realizing it. Stay until the end, because mistake number 1 is the biggest reason most people never build wealth. Mistake number 1, spending before saving. Most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, but here's the problem. There's usually nothing left. We naturally spend whatever's available. We upgrade our phone, order more food, buy things we don't actually need. We call it rewarding ourselves. Rich people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then they spend what's left. This simple habit can completely change your financial future. Mistake number 2, living to impress others. Have you ever bought something just because everyone else had it? A luxury phone, designer clothes, or a car that's way beyond your budget? Many people spend money trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Here's the truth. Real wealth is often invisible. The richest people aren't always wearing expensive brands. They're busy buying assets instead of attention. Don't let social media make financial decisions for you. Mistake number 3, ignoring investing. Many people think investing is only for millionaires. That's completely false. The biggest advantage in investing isn't having a lot of money, it's starting early. Imagine investing a small amount every month for years. Thanks to compound growth, your money starts making money, and then that money starts making even more money. Time is your greatest financial asset. Every year you delay, you're making success harder. Mistake number 4, depending on one income source. What happens if your only paycheck suddenly disappears? For millions of people, that's a financial disaster. That's why rich people build multiple income streams. Maybe it's freelancing, a small online business, investments, digital products, or rental income. One income pays the bills. Multiple incomes build freedom. Mistake number 5, never learning about money. Most schools teach math, science, history, but almost none teach personal finance. So people grow up knowing how to pass exams, but not how to manage money. The good news, financial education is free. Read books, watch quality videos, learn about budgeting, investing, business, and taxes. The more you understand money, the better money works for you. Now ask yourself, how many of these 5 mistakes are you making today? The sooner you fix them, the sooner your financial future changes. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more simple money and business lessons that can help you build real wealth.